kami ng pajama. Saka matutulog na kami para sa maaga ng koron. Yan, ready ka na sa koron? E di magbihis ka.
Okay. What time tayo alis bukas?
Mga 4 AM ng maaga.
Okay.
So, ready na kami sa koron.
Sleep muna tayo, ha?
Bye-bye.
Ayan, matutulog na kami. It's 8 PM. Matutulog na yung mga kids. Dahil maaga kami bukas. Dylan, say good night na. Good night. Bye, guys. So, 3 AM na. Gising na kami si Daylan at si Mami. Si Daylan gising. Aga na gising. Excited na si Daylan. Aga na gising. Tagad-tipi. Si Dion tulog pa.
This is the Eiffel Tower, one of the most popular buildings in the world.
Muna akong TV. Bantay kami ng 3:30.
Okay.
4 tayo.
Sige. Gisingin natin si Dion. Dion. Dion, good morning. Let's go na, Dion. Alis tayo. Dion. Dion. Alis tayo, alis. Alika na. Car gray na, car gray. Dali. Car gray tayo, car gray. Alis tayo, alis. Let's go. Let's go na. Punta tayo, dali. Dali, alis tayo. Alis tayo, baba ka na dun.
Daddy!
What
is
100 islands? Dylan, assist mo si Dion. Pababa si Dion. Help mo si Dion, dali oh. Help mo, dali. Baba. Let's go na, baba. Carry tayo. Carry tayo.
Ito ka.
Yes. Wear your slippers na.
Ito basketball. Slippers.
Yes.
Ito, what is slippers? Hello, Mommy.
Good morning.
Hi guys, we're going to Coron. Ngayon, pupunta kami ng park and fly. Papuntang Terminal 4. Like and subscribe, Aguilar Niche viewers.
Good morning. Ayan, ito po si Daddy. Ito po si Dio. Nasa harapan.
Hi.
Where are you going?
We're going to airport to Terminal 2. Bye-bye.
Ayan. Aalis lang po namin ng bahay.
Time check for 10.
It's 4:10 in the morning.
We're going
Bye-bye.
to Coron.
Hello, Dio.
Hi, we're going to Terminal 3, Terminal 4. Bye-bye.
Morning. Ayan. Kaalis lang po namin ng bahay. It's about 4:10.
Pilipinas tayo puta. Hindi tayo mag-immigration, passport, ticket lang.
Bye-bye.
Only...
Waiting kami sa shuttle ng Park and Fly. Yes. Hello. Yung shuttle namin. Papuntang Terminal 4. May car gray.
Sino mo ng toilet?
Yung ano kanina, yung mama kanina.
We're going to Park and Fly. Bye-bye.
Going to Terminal 4 na.
We're going to Terminal 4.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi.
Are you happy?
Today we're going to Terminal 4.
Okay, Dylan.
We're going to Terminal 4.
Are you happy, Dylan?
We're going to go. Hi, we're going to go on the airport. Bye-bye.
Say it.
It's start time.
So you're playing?
Yeah.
But it's your first
domestic flight.
domestic flight.
Yes.
Coron.
Yeah.
This is Dion's second time Diba?
Hi, we going to go at the airport. Bye-bye. You have a 2 locals.
Hanap natin yung flight natin. Ayun, Busuanga. Ayun. Kami yung DG 560 yan. Entrance. Alright. Go. Yeah, don't touch it muna. Ayun.
Wow. Wow.
Isa pa, last one.
Oh! Secret! Secret!
Yeah, let's go.
Going to... Go na kay Daddy.
Yes, check-in na kami. Check-in na. Ano yan?
Boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Oh, search for your name. Kung nandyan yung name mo. Asan yung name nyo, Dion? Boarding pass nyo.
Nakita ko.
Asan yung sa'yo? O, yun.
At dali yun.
Walk tayo, walk.
Kami buwan.
Inside
The boarding gate.
boarding gates.
Our
Yan.
gate is yan naman. 2.
Terminal 4 na kami sa loob. Makapag-check-in ako ng baggage.
naman. Hi, we go to Pizza Piniwans. Bye-bye.
Ano eh? Ano gusto mo, Mami? Balik ka, balik.
Hi guys, nasa boarding gate na ako.
Saan ka papunta?
Busuanga.
Busuanga.
Wait,
Anong
not-
airline ka?
Yan naman. Yan naman. Hi, with you with... Ah! Bye-bye. Papa, Tima, wow.
Oh, tingnan mo dito, oh, may infant feeding station. Tsaka may ED Travelers Lounge.
Ako na. Nag-trip pizza. Hindi ganito. Hindi. Ganito muna. Yan. Pizza. 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 By your...
Go, they go. Ako po. Thank you.
Bakit halukay tayo sa buwan?
Yes. Ay. Hindi. Doon nata sa kabila. Nagpasa. Hey! Doon sa may apatan. Ah, dahil ba? Sige, may iwalay na ako. Kandungin na lang. Dito na lang. Dito.
Hi, we're in the bus. Taking us to the airplane. Hi. Hi. Ano?
Riding the bus now.
Iyan naman. Iyan naman. Hi. We going to Basa. Bye-bye. Hindi phone ko.
Ganun pala, no? Pagka boarding group 1, isang bus lang siya. No, Mami? Ayun, ayun, oh, meron dun, oh. Okay, isa dun yung Ilan? Ilan? Careful ah. Ayun natin.
Where?
5, row 5.
Google 3.
Tanong mo doon sa ano, stewardess. 5A to Dicamo.
I will go to inside the airplane. Bye-bye.
What's that? Menu? Ano gusto mo dyan? What do you want there? Banana loaf? Gusto ko banana loaf there.
Oh, yeah. Banana loaf.
That's your favorite.
Yeah. I want it. Banana loaf.
What's happening?
Please direct your attention to your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a
Propeller
seatbelt.
spinning na din.
To fasten, push ends to buckle, and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open.
Welcome to Coron. Eh, picture tayo dyan, oh.
Daddy!
Hindi atin yun.
Let's go na.
mo na yung bag mo? Okay na, halika na. Babayad tayo ng environmental, mami. Environmental. Akila, asan? Pangalan? Ayun, Akila. Tayo.
Army Barbara!
Let's go, Dylan. Let's go. Let's do our van service. Sa shuttle namin papunta saan?
Akila.
Homestaying.
Yan.
Anong oras na, mami?
Hi.
Time check.
Check.
It's already, I don't know.
It's 9:10.
9 tayo.
9 a.m. We paid how much?
600 pesos. 200 for adults and 100 for kids. This is our tour. The Coron Tour, Coron Town Tour, the Beach Escapade Tour, and
This one,
the
Coron Town Tour.
yes.
Wala pala tayo man.
3,000.
Hello po. Tindahan din dito. Ayun, hindi yan. Teka dito. Labas. Sa hotel. Antayin lang namin makapag-check-in kami. Akila, homestay. Hello.
Tawagan kita ulit mo may ano lang ako ay ba?
Akila Homestay.
Wow, we're here at the room. May tayo kami sa balcony. We have bed 2 beds. You see our singlets. Shower, hot shower. Let's go to the sharing. We have TV, cabinet.
It's clean.
It's clean, huh? Hello. Ito yung balcony. Can eat rice dito.